Just don't talk too loud.
Too loud?
Yeah, say hello.
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 Are we recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. We're at Ole's. Ole's. Ooh, look at the steam on my tomato. Ooh, it's hot. Oh my.
Burn your mouth?
Can you hear the sizzle of my plate? It was louder earlier, but we were waiting for his food before I could record it.
Mine was a little slow to arrive, but
It was really loud.
really loud. You can hear a mile away.
Oh yeah, and then they got me a Coke and a banana daiquiri, which is really good.
Really good.
Really good.
I got a Maliola. And chicken
Congratulations. Congratulations. We are proud of you, baby.
tacos. But you are.
But we are.
Pop.
Thank you. Oh yes. I'm being
There
funny.
you are. You don't usually agree with that statement.
I was joking though.
I'm not. You know, it's not with the taco. You are hot.
Funny.
Smoking hot.
No.
Thumbs up if she's smoking hot, guys.
No.
Yes. Be sure to sub too, because you get this. Well, eventually we'll get to see her at 100 subs.
500.
100.
500.
100. And at the recording of this video, we need 17 more. So come on,
500.
guys. It's 100.
Also, we are going to do a live stream shortly after we get home. We have a few things we have to do at the house, and then we'll do a little bit of a live stream. Yep.
He's really good. Was
Good.
that this last time I was here? I'm like,
I think you did. I'll have to look at our pictures.
they look really similar.
I really like this. I wish I could have recorded it when it was sizzling louder.
Sorry. You could
No.
have, I guess.
It was okay.
Delicioso.
What?
Delicioso.
No idea what you said.
Which means delicious or delicious in Spanish.
Uh-huh. And we even got chicken.
Chicken!
And onions.
Ooh, onions. Chili fries?
Well, I'm most likely taking this home. Zach will probably eat them. Chicken and tomato. I have to show them what I'm doing. Ooh,
Yeah,
hot.
you need to be more on camera.
Ooh,
Show
hot.
everything we're doing.
Uh-oh.
Instead of always just being on the sidelines talking. I show Adrian too.
Hold on.
I'm holding. I'm holding, babe. I'm holding.
You're bumping the table. How am I
Holding.
supposed to text?
I'm holding.
Funny.
Can I stop holding on?
Hilarious.
Hilarious.
Hold on, people. So I gotta text someone.
One done.
Still
You're good.
recovering. Still recording.
Recovering.
Yeah.
You're good.
Excuse me.
What would you try to get some of this rice?
Yes. I was texting my friend Maddie from Britain. Woohoo.
Thumbs up,
Blurry.
Maddie. You get another shout out. Aren't you lucky?
Maddie, you're special.
Good stuff. You guys should come out to Ole's.
Olays. And chicken.
Chicken's not as fun to say. Chicken.
The word pickle's fun to say.
Yeah, you and your pickles.
Mm-hmm.
You don't really like to eat pickles too much, but you love to say it.
No, I do. I love pickles. I honestly do. Those
Some
big
burgers,
fat ones.
Burgers you don't like.
No, I only like to eat them out of the jar. Like those big fat ones. I don't like them on burgers. Ugh. Because those pickles are gross. I like the pickles that are whole, that are kosher.
Nice explanation.
What?
Nice explanation, babe.
Damn. Oh my, I have to switch arms.
I could hold the camera for a little bit.
No, I'm good.
You sure?
Because you'll record me.
Will I? How do you know?
Because I know you.
Are you sure you do?
Well, I thought I did. Oh, what am I recording? I was looking at my food. So, we'll probably end this soon because we want to eat our food.
Have you even drank a sip of this yet?
Not yet.
I'm drinking more out of this than you have. This is your drink. Banana daiquiri.
I recommend people to get banana daiquiri.
Daiquiri?
Yep, that too.
Your son?
Uh-huh.
Daiquiri?
Uh-huh. So, I'm gonna end this vlog so I can go finish eating my food. My yummy, delicious food. So,
Yum.
yum yum. So, we will be back maybe in an hour to do a live stream.
Sure, check that out.
But maybe an hour and a half because we don't know how long we'll be here, and then
How is everything tasting?
really good, thank you. And then we gotta go home. And then we gotta do what we gotta do. And then we'll do our live stream. So, we will see you all later.
Yep, we sure will.
Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, give us a thumbs up, and we love you all. Bye!
Bye. Peace. Later.